now I'm just picking up some white and moving through over the last layer that we put down. Just very lightly picking up a little white. I'm using paper towel. You can use whatever tool. If you have a brush, you can do it and then smooth it out. This is just a damp paper towel. And then I'm going to use my brush and just kind of smooth it out this way.